So you are having issues with your AMD graphics card because the version of the driver is not. So I have the solution for you. Let's dive in. So the first thing we have to do is to press the Windows key and find device. So you go here and then you have to go to display adapters, press your graphics, double click, go to controller, and you have to uninstall this. Once you have done that, you have to go to Google and find AMD, press the first, and here you have to select download Windows. Also, you can browse specifically for your graphics card, but the best option is to do it from here. And you start it and you have to restart your PC and you will have no problem because your driver will be. So if this video was useful for you, please comment, share, like, subscribe, and press the bell in the subscription button. Do not lose anything on our end. So goodbye and this is